So our first enhancement for this April release is actually pretty cool. So as always, it seems like the last 3 or 4 months we've actually received an EPM Automate version upgrade. So in order to get this command available to you in your environment, you do need to download the latest version of EPM Automate. But once you do that, you can now leverage the mask data command, which is pretty cool. So it's really just one command that you can run through EPM Automate, and it will basically encrypt all of your data for you. So a couple of things around this, though, is I would definitely recommend, if you're going to test this, or if you find a use case for this, make sure you back up your data first. This is key. So there's no going back from this. And also, this impacts every plan type or database in your application. So you can't decide that you want to do it for one cube, but you can't, you don't want to do it for another one. So you can't just separate that out and say I want my income statement to be encrypted, but I don't want my balance sheet, for example. But what's cool with this is a couple of use cases that I just kind of thought of as going through this is, say you're in a testing cycle and you have a workforce app or something with some sensitive information in the database, and you want to bring the full data set down to your test environment for testing. What you can do here is you can run this mass data command, bring all the data down into test, and then you can actually have users have a full data set and not have to worry about any security, right? And then obviously get to maybe some security-related testing later on in the UAT cycle. But I think this is some pretty cool functionality here. I'm interested to see where they go with it, to see if they actually do provide some additional enhancements down the line where you can maybe customize by database. But again, for now, it's the entire app, so just keep that in mind there.